And now, the tropical bird that ruins vacations.
Oh, Humphrey, look at the sunset. Isn't it beautiful?
Not as beautiful as you, my dear.
Oh, Humphrey, how I've dreamed of a man like you.
I have dreamed similarly, Ingrid.
So strong, yet so tender. How I've loved walking the beaches with you.
Seeing your locks flowing in the
The
breeze.
sun dancing upon your face.
The sand oozing between your toes.
Crabs scuttling
The
across
salty
nape of
air
your neck.
exfoliating your skin.
Oh, Humphrey!
Kiss me!
Humphrey,
Don't say a word.
What was that?
Nothing. There's only you and I.
It looks like it's some kind of tropical bird.
It's sitting on that branch. What is it? Is it scratching its...
Oh, is that its beak? What the? Oh! This is totally killing our vibe.
Shucks.
And now, the tropical bird that ruins vacations.
Oh, Humphrey, the city is so beautiful at night.
Isn't it stunning?
Simply ravishing.
Ingrid, there's something I have to ask you.
What is it?
Ingrid, will you marry... Ingrid, will you marry...
What was that?
It sounded like...
It couldn't be.
The tropical bird that ruins vacations.
Ingrid, will you marry... 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 Will you marry me?
I'm sorry, could you just... I have no idea what you just
Ingrid,
said.
will you marry...
Marry who?
Shucks. Kamchatka. Bordered only by Yakutsk, Irkutsk, and Mongolia. Maybe here, in this remote Siberian taiga, we can finally escape the...
Don't say it, darling.
The tropical bird that ruins vacations.
Every time we try to have a decent vacation, that bird just...
Ruins?
Yeah, ruins our vacation.
It's not so bad. Look, a patch of ice.
Whoop-de-effing do.
Cheer up, Humphrey. At least there's one good thing.
What's that?
There aren't any tropical birds native to Kamchatka.
You're right. Here. In this desolate wasteland, bordered only by the aforementioned Yakutsk, Irkutsk, and Mongolia, we've found our Eden, Ingrid. A pulsating paradise of shimmering crystal where Apollo's rays cools dawn's icy fingertips. Ingrid, here we are free. You hear me? No bird can stop us now! All right, you know what? I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna sleep with my wife.
Thanks for watching The Tropical Bird That Ruins Vacations. And be sure to tune in next week for The Wild Boar That Ransacks Bar Mitzvahs.